Welcome to Auto Avenue, your go-to channel for the latest automotive news, reviews, and in-depth looks at the most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Lincoln Navigator, a luxury full-size SUV that continues to set the standard for premium comfort, advanced technology, and powerful performance. With its bold design, cutting-edge features, and refined craftsmanship, the 2025 Navigator is designed to impress from every angle. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator maintains its commanding presence with a signature front grille that seamlessly integrates with sleek LED headlamps. The updated lighting system enhances visibility while adding to the SUV's sophisticated appeal. The sculpted body lines give it a dynamic yet elegant stance, and the available 22-inch wheels provide an added level of grandeur. The power-deployable running boards make entry and exit effortless, while the hands-free power liftgate adds convenience for loading cargo. Under the hood, the 2025 Navigator is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain ensures smooth acceleration and effortless cruising on highways. The Navigator also features an advanced adaptive suspension system that continuously monitors road conditions, adjusting for optimal comfort and handling. With available all-wheel drive, the SUV provides confidence in various driving conditions, whether it's rain, snow, or off-road terrain. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator offers a luxurious sanctuary designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience. The spacious three-row layout ensures that every passenger enjoys premium seating with available 30-way power-adjustable front seats featuring massage functionality. High-quality materials such as leather upholstery, real wood accents, and soft-touch surfaces create an upscale atmosphere. The second-row seats offer captain's chairs with heating and ventilation options, while the power reclining third row ensures that even those in the back have a comfortable ride. Technology is a major highlight in the 2025 Navigator, with a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system running the latest version of Lincoln's Sync software. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making smartphone integration seamless. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable driving information, while the available head-up display keeps important details in the driver's line of sight. The Revel Ultima 3D audio system with 28 speakers delivers an immersive listening experience, ensuring that music, podcasts, or navigation prompts sound crystal clear. Connectivity and convenience are further enhanced with multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. The Navigator also includes a rear seat entertainment system with dual touchscreens, allowing passengers to stream content, play games, or browse the internet on long journeys. The Lincoln Way app provides remote access to vehicle functions, including remote start, lock, unlock, and vehicle location tracking, offering a seamless digital experience. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Lincoln Navigator, featuring Lincoln Copilot 362.0, an advanced suite of driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The Active Glide 1.2 system enables hands-free driving on pre-mapped highways, using cameras and radar to monitor surroundings while providing a more relaxed driving experience. A 360-degree camera system aids in parking and maneuvering, ensuring that drivers have a clear view of their surroundings at all times. When it comes to cargo space and practicality, the 2025 Navigator excels with a generous amount of room behind each row. With all seats up, the SUV offers ample storage for everyday needs, and folding the second and third rows expands the cargo capacity significantly. The power folding seats make configuring the interior easy, while additional storage compartments throughout the cabin enhance overall usability. Fuel efficiency remains competitive for its class, with the twin-turbo V6 engine optimizing performance without excessive fuel consumption. Lincoln has also implemented various eco-friendly technologies to improve efficiency while maintaining the power and luxury expected from a full-size SUV. Overall, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator continues to impress with its combination of power, luxury, and advanced technology. It caters to drivers who seek a refined driving experience with top-tier comfort and convenience. Whether for family road trips, executive travel, or everyday driving, the Navigator delivers in every aspect. That's all for today's look at the 2025 Lincoln Navigator. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest automotive content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Avenue. See you in the next video.